Doctors are always known for their studies and research in their own field. But our today's guest, an ophthalmologist by profession, researched and studied none other than one of the most beautiful insects on the planet, butterflies. Dr. Milind Bhakre, a well known ophthalmologist of Satara, was an amateur butterfly enthusiast. He has been observing butterflies for last 10 years. He has published his research in one of its kind book, A Guide to Butterflies of Western Ghats. Being a leading practitioner, how did Dr. Bhakre get fascinated with butterflies? And how does he balance his career and his passion? Let's find out only in Out of Office.
I purchased farmland, which is we are sitting here, and after that what happened, I just started planting the horticultural plants. I got a digital camera, and I started clicking whatever I come across, like plants, flowers. Suddenly in 2008 there was a butterfly meet which was organized in Goa, and I visited there when there were so many like-minded butterfly enthusiasts, butterfly photographers which were there around, and people like me also were there who were just searching for a kind of a subject. And then when we started looking at the butterflies, only butterflies there, then I realized that yes, this is a insect which anyway I like, but we can go into further studying this type of insect. So I started photographing only butterflies. Then what happened is that after certain achievement of some butterfly species which were there, a herd of butterfly photographs with us, but then we realized that there were no enough books which were very good to identify the butterflies. So I had in mind that yes, let us start for not only the photograph, but we have to identify all these scientifically well. So we started studying the butterflies, and then it clicked into my mind that let us go let us spread this knowledge by writing a book. So I went ahead towards writing a book. Butterfly play a very important role in the life cycle of all the, as we call it, as a food chain, as well as it is very important indicator of a biodiversity. So first important thing is that this is a delicate insect, and it immediately responds to the change in the environment. Just like habitat destruction occurs, first to respond or first to reduce in number will be the butterflies. Also, butterflies indicate a very good quality of the environment or the diversity in your area or the quality of a jungle. Like certain type of butterflies, if you see in a locality, you can certainly say that the habitat is rich. The richness is in biodiversity. So when the butterflies are there, naturally good number of birds, variety of reptiles, all are existent there. So this is a very important bio indicator of the diversity or nature. Second important aspect of the butterflies is that it is a part of a food chain of life. Okay, the butterfly has got 4 stages of life: the eggs, the caterpillars, the pupae, as well as the adults. We see only adults, but when 100 eggs of the butterfly are laid, only one adult emerges. Many eggs are eaten up by insects. The larvae, that is the caterpillars, are a rich and a great food source for the birds, as well as the reptiles like lizard and many insects also. As well as the pupae are eaten by the reptiles and the birds. So important nutritious source and a part of a food chain the butterflies are. These are pollinators of the flowering plants. The importance is as equal to the bees, but still butterfly has an advantage that they roam around on the large areas of the land. This is the importance of a butterfly overall, and that's why this is what I learned, that butterflies are not such a minor insect, but they are a part of the food chain of life. Actually, I'm very fortunate to be an ophthalmologist and eye surgeon, because eye surgeon in my field there are no emergencies. So usually patients are not admitted. It's a daycare center. Patients are not admitted in my hospital either. So I get at least some time free, especially on the weekends. I'm very fortunate that my wife is also an ophthalmologist, because many often, if suppose I want to go for some happening phenomenon are there, many butterflies are gathered together or something, then I can certainly tell her to look after the OPD. Also, as I told you, that every year we take certain time off. Every year at least twice I go for larger at least 8 to 10 days expeditions in the northeastern India, or even in the Assam and Himalayas, as well as in Kerala and all areas. When you are very much in the contact of nature, then it calms your mind. Okay, I just forget what I am. I just forget that I am a doctor. I just forget all my worries which are there of the surgeries, of the OPDs, and all the things which I have to manage, the administration and all of the hospital and all. I just forget, and I just roam around freely. So probably that has saved me from diabetes or ailments like blood pressure and all also. That's what I feel. It's a very positive impact. We arranged a lot of lectures in which we talk about different aspects of butterfly life, as well as the conservation aspect of, which is very important. So all these aspects are covered for the college students by giving the lectures. So what we tell them is that first is the urbanization, which is producing a problem. So you cannot prevent urbanization as such, but still at least you can produce your home gardens, your terrace gardens, or in the public gardens you can plant some certain kind of trees and all. So this way they are made aware that what is the importance of the diversity, what is the importance of lesser fauna like insects. Not only the elephants and the tigers are important, but this lesser fauna is also important.